Today, let's watch the whole workflow of vacuum packaging chicken breast. First of all, we need to set the packaging speed of chicken breast to 75 bags per minute on the screen. Using the principle of taking the bag under the vacuum suction cup, the bag is sucked up and sent to the first workstation. According to the needs of customers, it is equipped with a high-speed coding machine to automatically print the production date. Then the suction cup sucks open the bag mouth again, and the bag support piece is quickly inserted into the bag mouth to support the bag mouth to the unloading workstation. The worker put the chicken breast into the ring unloader, and the machine pokes the chicken breast into the bag and presses it in at the next workstation to avoid exposing the mouth of the bag. Then rotate and blow at the bag mouth processing workstation, clean the bag mouth and straighten the bag mouth. Finally, transfer to the vacuum cavity workstation for vacuuming and heat sealing. The packaged chicken breast slipped onto the conveyor belt, and it was done. Thanks for watching and see you the next video.